Hi! In front of me is TECNO SPARK 10 and today I would like to show you how you can change display refresh rate. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down just a bit to access display and brightness. Then scroll down, click on Screen Refresh Rate and apply the best option for you by clicking on it. In my case, the highest one. So when I click and go back, as you can see, screen refresh rate of my device has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!